Welcome. In this guide, we'll show you how to mute a chat on WhatsApp web using an easy keyboard shortcut. This feature is perfect for managing notifications and staying focused while using WhatsApp on your PC. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. Make sure you're logged in by scanning the QR code with your phone if needed. Once you're in, navigate to the chat list where all your conversations are displayed. Next, select the chat you want to mute. This could be an individual conversation or a group chat that's generating too many notifications. Click on the chat to open it. Now, here's where the magic happens. Press the following keys on your keyboard simultaneously. Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus M. This shortcut will instantly bring up the mute options for the selected chat. A small pop-up window will appear, allowing you to choose how long you'd like to mute the chat. You'll typically have options such as 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Select the duration that works best for you by clicking on it. Finally, click Mute, and you're all set. The chat will now be silenced for the period you selected. You'll still receive messages from this contact or group, but there won't be any notification sounds or alerts to distract you. If at any point you want to unmute the chat, simply repeat these steps and select Unmute instead, and that's it. With this simple shortcut, managing your WhatsApp web notifications has never been easier. Try it out today and enjoy a more focused and distraction-free experience.